Boeing factory workers held a major rally in Seattle on Tuesday, October 15th, demanding better wages and pensions as the strike against the aerospace giant intensifies. Inside the packed Union Hall, workers chanted for their pensions and vowed to stay strong despite the company's recent announcement of 17,000 job cuts. US Senator Maria Cantwell and Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal addressed the energized crowd, calling for fair contracts, dignity, and respect for the 33,000 unionized workers on strike since September 13th. The machinists are demanding a 40% wage increase over 4 years and pension improvements, which have halted production of Boeing's best-selling jets, including the 737 MAX. Boeing withdrew its latest offer, a 30% wage increase over 4 years after negotiations, even with federal mediators, broke down. Acting US Labor Secretary Julie Su has now intervened, meeting with both sides to try and end the deadlock as the pressure grows on new CEO Kelly Ortberg to resolve the crisis. For now, both sides remain entrenched as the strike continues into its second month.